Hello, dear student. Welcome to Physics Zone. Hello, how are you? Are you okay? Yes. Now see. Okay, very fine. Now we are starting first what is say mute or speaker. Now say first of all you are already appeared in 10th exam and now you have selected science subject or science stream. Then you know you may be in A group or B group. Physics is common to all. See general, what is physics? Physics is the branch of science in which we can solve all the problems taking place in nature. Then to solve the problems of nature, we have to study the physics. Means physics is the science which is very important, sometimes known as king of the science. Why? That it is important in all the branches. All the branches starts from the physics. Now, see, first of all, we are discussing second chapter, units and measurement. What is unit and what is measurement? Then commonly you know so many devices, apparatus, instrument which are generally used in measuring certain different quantities. We are discussing somewhat, you know very well. What is this? Anyone? What is this? Ruler or ruler means measurement. To measure the length of any object, we are using this device or apparatus. You know very well, it is calibrated in centimeter. On other side, it is calibrated in inch. Then we can say this is the device to measure the quantity known as length. Also, see the another apparatus. This is known as vernier calipers. Vernier calipers, in which one is the steady scale known as main scale, other which is moving on the main scale known as vernier scale. Then with the help of these vernier calipers, we can measure very small size or object with small size. If large size, then you can measure with the ruler. If small than that, of the order of 10 is to minus 2 meter or 1/100th of the centimeter, then we can use the vernier calipers. Again, if small than that, means very small objects, we can use this apparatus known as micrometer screw. With the help of this, we can measure the size up to 10 raised to minus 3 centimeter or 10 raised to minus 5 meter. So all are the apparatus which can use to measure the length Now see, already you are familiar with this one. This is thermometer. Thermometer can be used to measure temperature of the body. It is maybe of the digital or maybe of the type of mercury column. Here in mercury column, at the bottom of that is a mercury, and due to temperature expansion taking place and corresponding temperature can be observed. So we have discussed instrument to measure some quantities. Now what is physical quantity? Then generally we can say, try to understand any phenomena taking place in nature or maybe man-made. Just suppose simple phenomena. You all are familiar with the cricket. Then suppose we have to describe the phenomena in that case. Then suppose a bowler with the ball starts his running and throw a ball to the batsman. Batsman hits the ball, moves away on the ground. Simply we have taken this phenomena. Then try to understand, first of all, what are the main words in this case. Then first we have started bowler starts running at a particular moment, runs up to certain limit, then throws the ball to the batsman. Batsman hits the ball, moves up to this one. Simple phenomena. Then see, bowler throws a ball. Then question arises, what is the speed of the ball? Distance traveled by the bowler before throwing the ball. Distance traveled by the bowler. Thrown ball with certain speed reaching towards the batsman. Then time taken by the ball to reach from bowler to batsman. Then time. Batsman hits the ball, then applying force, then again force. Due to this force, balls moves away, then again distance travel, then again distance. With how much speed? Time taken, that time. Means there are so many physical quantity which are related with the phenomena. Then to describe any phenomena, maybe man-made, maybe natural, we have to study, we have to be familiar with certain quantity. There are so many physical quantity in the science. Out of them, we have to discuss limited certain quantities. Then see, first of all, we are discussing this physical quantity. Any quantity can be measured. Suppose, for example, distance. Distance can be measured and represented. How? Then see, two portions are there. First, numerical values. Numerical value and with proper unit. Two factors. First, value and second, unit. Means there must be proper unit. Then see, two portions, value and unit. Now value can be obtained after measurement. Then measurement. Unit, then units. Means two factors main are there. First, see here in physics, what is unit? Unit means standard measure of any physical quantity. Standard measure of any physical quantity accepted internationally in science is known as unit. Unit is the standard measure of any physical quantity internationally accepted in science and technology, also in commercial application, known as unit. Now see, we have to discuss so many quantities, but out of them we are discussing limited portion, limited quantities. Limited quantity we have selected such that remaining quantity can be derived or obtained in terms of basic quantity. Then say physical quantities are there. There are two types of the physical quantities. Two types of the physical quantity: fundamental and derived quantities. Now, what is the fundamental and what is the derived quantity? Then, out of all the quantities, we have selected particular quantities, limited quantities, which are also known as basic quantities, fundamental or basic quantities. And unit of that, those quantities are known as fundamental units. If quantities are fundamental, then units of those quantities are known as fundamental units. Remaining all the quantity in physics can be obtained, can be derived, can be represented in terms of fundamental quantities. Those are known as derived quantities. And corresponding units of these quantities are known as derived units. Means, remember, two types of the quantities. Which are they? Fundamental and derived. Fundamental or basic means limited quantity, but we have selected such that remaining all the quantity can be derived, can be obtained, can be derived or obtained, known as derived quantity, and corresponding units are known as fundamental units and derived units. Now, combining both fundamental and derived, we can design a set of the system, and that is known as system of units. System of unit. Now see, first of all, we are discussing system of units. In that case, initially we have taken system of units. Fundamental quantity are mass, length and time. Three fundamental quantities: mass, length and time. Then for proper order, we are taking in this way: first length, then mass and time. In starting, Britishers derived quantity, taken three quantities, and unit. System of unit is known as FPS system. First system is known as FPS. F means foot, P means pound, S means second. So length measured in foot, mass measured in pound, while time is in second. First system, FPS, consisting of three units: foot, pound and second. Foot, pound and second in FPS system. Second, decimal system known as CGS. CGS means length measured in centimeter, mass measured in gram, and time measured in second. Second system, CGS, length measured in centimeter, mass measured in gram, time measured in second. And third, which is also decimal system, MKS system. MKS system means length measured in meter, mass measured in kilogram, and time measured in second. Three fundamental quantities in three systems, same length, mass and time. In FPS, length in foot, mass in pound, time in second. While in CGS, length in centimeter, mass in gram, time in second. While MKS system, meter, kilogram, second. So taking first letter MKS. Also sometimes fourth system MKSA. Here we have to consider fourth fundamental quantity known as electric current. Then we can say length measured in meter, mass measured in kilogram, time in second, while current in ampere. So it is known as MKSA system. But due to new invention and development of the science, certain quantity are such that which cannot be represented in this form. So in 1971, new system internationally developed. Fifth is known as SI system. SI system means system of international. Now we have discussed four system of units. Which are they? First FPS, second CGS, third MKS, fourth MKSA, and now last SI system of units, means system international. Now in this system there are 7 fundamental physical quantities. There are 7 fundamental physical quantities selected as a fundamental, and combining this quantity and with proper unit, that system is known as SI system of units, system international or SI system. Then in SI system, as you know, in previous system MKS or MKSA, then first 4 quantity remains same. Then try to understand first length measured in meter, then symbol is M. M is the symbol, small m, not capital M. Remember this, symbol for the meter is small m. First quantity length measured in meter, symbol for that is m. Now second is the mass. Mass measured in kilogram. Then symbol for that is kg. Unit is kilogram, symbol for that is kg. Now third, as you know, third quantity is a time. Unit is known as second and symbol is S. S is the symbol for that. Now fourth, electric current. Electric current measured in ampere, and symbol for that is A. Fourth quantity, electric current measured in ampere, symbol is A. Fifth quantity, thermodynamic temperature or thermodynamic temperature. Fifth one is thermodynamic temperature, which is measured in Kelvin, and symbol is K. Fifth quantity, thermodynamic temperature measured in Kelvin, and symbol is K. 6. Intensity of light. Intensity of light measured in candela, symbol is CD. And 7. Amount of the substance or matter, amount of the substance or matter measured in mole, symbol is MOL. Again, remember this SI system. 7 fundamental quantities. Which are they? First, length measured in meter, symbol is small m. Second, mass measured in kilogram, symbol is kg. Time, second, symbol S. Similarly, electric current measured in ampere, symbol is A. Thermodynamic temperature measured in Kelvin, symbol is K. Intensity of the light measured in candela, symbol is CD. 7. Amount of substance or matter measured in mole, symbol is MOL. Now see, in 11th and 12th science, we will use, in entire physics, mostly SI system is used. Means internationally accepted for entire science. First, see, there are some norms for the application of SI system. First of all, symbol must be according to the table. Symbol of all the units must be according to the table. Second, if a quantity may be singular or plural form, then symbol remains same. Single one or plural form, then quantity remains same. Suppose, for example, 2 meter and 1 meter. 1 meter, then also M. 2 meter, also M. 5 meter remains same. Suppose 10 second, so 10 S, not seconds. So first, symbol must be remain same according to table. Hello? What बोला? Hello? Who is speaking there?